Hope you guys doing well. My name is Ashok Paswan. In this video, we are going to see what is Roth IRA, what are pros and cons, and why you should have it. Roth IRA was established by the Taxpayers Act of 1997, and this bill was introduced by Senator William Roth of Delaware. So what is Roth IRA and how it's different than traditional 401k? In a simple term, Roth IRA is a retirement account which allows you to save for the retirement with after-tax dollars, thereby allowing tax-free withdrawals in the retirement. It means you pay taxes when you contribute fund to your account, and any future qualified withdrawals, you don't have to pay any taxes. So it's a tax-free withdrawals. So let's understand how it is different than traditional 401k. Let's say you have a 100k in traditional 401k retirement account and 100k in Roth IRA, and you decided to make withdrawals. In traditional 401k, you will have to pay taxes as per the tax bracket at the time. So just for this example, let's say you paid 20,000 taxes. So you will be receiving only 80,000 from your 401k retirement account. Whereas in Roth IRA, you don't have to pay taxes because you already paid when you contributed fund to your retirement account. So basically, it's a tax-free money. So let's see what are pros and cons with Roth IRA. Tax-free withdrawals. Yes. So this is the biggest advantage with Roth IRA retirement account, that you don't have to pay taxes at the time of withdrawals because you are, as I explained earlier, you already paid taxes when you contributed fund to your retirement account. The Roth IRA provides you more flexibility and more freedom than traditional retirement account. You can withdraw your contribution anytime you want without paying any penalty. This can be in your advantages when you have unexpected financial needs. So let's say you want to start a business, or you want to buy a house, or you want to buy a boat. You can withdraw anytime without paying any penalty like traditional 401k. But I would suggest to avoid it if it's not necessary. No required minimum distribution. What does it mean? So with traditional 401k account, you must start withdrawing fund from your retirement account once you turn 73 years old, or you have to pay penalty as per the RMD calculation at that time. But this is not the case with Roth IRA. So Roth IRA, there is no minimum required distribution. You can leave money in Roth IRA as long as you want and enjoy the tax-free growth of your account. But there are still some cons with Roth IRA which you should consider. No tax deduction. Yes, so you cannot enjoy the tax deduction because you are paying taxes at the time of your contribution. Income limit. This is another disadvantage. So your gross adjusted income must be 153k or less in 2023 for single filer, and for couples it's 228k. Another disadvantage is lack of matching employer contribution. They cannot match the contribution in your Roth IRA retirement account. So that is one disadvantage, is that you're not getting free money. So there are so many advantages with Roth IRA which you can explore as per your long-term savings strategy and save for the retirement. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.